Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Nimade Sri Rukmiati. I am from Bali Tourism Polytechnic. My presentation title is Entrepreneurial Orientation and Financial Capability, a study of tourism MSMEs in Labuan Bajo. MSMEs play a vital role in a country economic development by creating jobs, boosting national revenue through export, and enhancing human resource quality. In Labuan Bajo, a thriving tourist destination in Flores, Indonesia, MSMEs significantly contribute to job creation, local income, and infrastructure development. And resource-based view theory provide the foundation for understanding how internal resources such as entrepreneurial orientation and financial capabilities create competitive advantages. Entrepreneurial orientation role in achieving competitive advantage. EO help companies achieve a competitive advantage. Studies have shown that EO significant roles in company performs. There is three dimension of entrepreneurial orientation. First, innovation, that is implementing new ideas for product and service innovation. The second one is proactivity, that is anticipating consumer needs by offering new products. And the third is risk taking, that is willingness to take bold step involving risk. And financial capability is the ability to manage finance and make sound financial decision. It differentiates from income or material well-being and relates to understanding credit management and recognizing financial products. Financial capabilities enhance MSME's ability to take calculate risk and innovate, and help in facing market changes, economic fluctuation, and emerging opportunities. This research focused on understanding entrepreneurial orientation and financial capability MSMEs in Labuan Bajo tourism sector. We conducted a quantitative descriptive study using questionnaire distributed to MSMEs owner and managers. The key indicators for EO were drawn from Coffin and Slavin, while financial capability was measured based on the framework by Kempston et al. The data were analyzed using analysis of variance ANOVA to assess variation based on gender, age, business duration, and education level. And this is the results discussion. Our key findings, that is, there is no significant difference in both entrepreneurial orientation and financial capability based on gender or age range. And this indicates that these attributes are consistent across this demographic factor, emphasizing the needs for inclusive training program for all MSMEs owner. And for business duration, there is significant differences were observed in both entrepreneurial orientation and financial capability based on the duration business operation. Longer business experience enhance both entrepreneurial orientation and financial management skill. Thus, new MSMEs may benefit from additional mentoring and training program. And for education level, there is no significant differences were found in EO and financial capability based on education level. Practical, hands-on entrepreneurship program may be more impactful than formal education alone. And this is our recommendation from this research. That is first, inclusive training programs. Government and institutions should provide gender and age inclusive training to improve both entrepreneurial orientation and financial competencies. The second one, support for new MSMEs mentoring program targeting newly established MSMEs can accelerate their development of EO and financial capabilities. And the third one is collaborative initiative. Educational institutions and policymakers should design practical, experience-based entrepreneurship program to bridge gap in formal education. And for the conclusion, MSMEs in Labuan Bajo have great potential to thrive in the competitive tourism industry with the right support. Enhancing entrepreneurial orientation and financial capability is essential for their sustainable growth and contribution to the local economy. And our limitation and future research. First, this research regionally focused that limits generalizability. And cross-sectional design and self-reported data may introduce bias. And for the future research, we will need across different regions and sectors. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any question and or discuss this finding further. Thank you. Good morning.